Today, I am going to teach you class 10 of the Advanced Linking Universal Drum. On today's class, we're gonna repeat class 8 that we did on our previous class. The first line is 1、4、7、7周左右，1、4、7又左右，1、4、7、7周左右，1、4、7又左右，就1、2、3、4。And remember, when you play it, you have to walk around the drum. Now, let's try on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Chinese School. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.